Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you new code that you can redeem in the Dress to Impress game of Roblox Katseye update. Okay, let's get into it guys. Finally, the Katseye update has been released and there is a new code that you can redeem in this update. I'm going to go to the redeem menu and then we're going to enter Katseye. Wait, just type in like this. Okay, and you're going to click on redeem and then you will unlock this necklace and then this chains and this bracelet. Okay, and then I'm going to take a screenshot of it for my thumbnail guys actually, and I'm going to close. Okay, then if you want to use that you can go to the changing room right here. Okay guys, and that's the new code that you can redeem in the Dress to Impress game of Roblox Katseye update. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye!